9 Best Way to Secure Patio Furniture from Theft. Number 1. Get a house sitter. Number 2. Leave your dogs outside. Number 3. Keep the area well lit. Number 4. Locking up your patio furniture. Number 5. Install security cameras. Number 6. Bolt the furniture to the floor. Number 7. Adequately fence in your yard. Number 8. Use your patio frequently. Number 9. Store it in the garage when not in use. Thank you for watching our video. Visit okpatio.com and subscribe our channel.